June 11, 2:30. So we're opening a laundry shop in Roxas. So these machines are from mainland. I spent several weeks setting up the gas line, the water line, and the wastewater. So I'm using a flexible hose. So the dryer is Shellene propane, not electricity. So that's what it is. So this is the dryer. That's the display. Washing machine, dryer. Look like washing machine is look like. So it should be operating soon. It's maybe this week. So this is the inside of the Shellene. This is one of those special regulators. I use GI piping to run the Shellene into the store. According to requirement, you gotta have the propane outside. Thanks for watching.